Hey guys, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to talk about some of the annoying features on Oppo F1s. Now these features are not really deal breakers or something, but they're, you may call them nitpicks or whatever, but they're annoying. They're here and they're annoying. So let's go ahead and take a look at some of these features. So the number one annoying feature on my list is something which I think that Oppo has taken directly from iOS, and that is the system apps, the apps that are pre-installed and are included in the system package on this phone. The settings for those apps are not in those apps. Instead, the settings are in the settings menu. For example, there is the calendar app. There is simply no way that you can access calendar settings here. So what you need to do is that you need to go into the settings, and in settings go all the way down, and you have this last section where you get all these settings here. So your call settings are here, contacts, messages, security center, camera, photos, music. So everything is tucked in the settings menu, and this is exactly something that they have taken from iOS, and it's really annoying. These settings are supposed to be in the app. So anyways, it's not a deal breaker, but this is something annoying and we're not used to, Android users not used to, so a bit of a learning curve is involved here. And the second most annoying thing on my list is the limited battery info. So if we go into the settings here and I want to know about the battery info on my phone, which apps are using battery, how is the screen performance and stuff like that, and I look for battery here. So I go in the battery. Now what you see here is all what you get. There is nothing more than this, and there's nothing less than this. So if you go into the hardware, so it will tell you that a screen is using 26.72%, and that's it. You click on it, nothing happens, just nothing happens. So no screen on time, no graphical representation. The third most annoying thing on my list is basically the settings shortcuts here. So if we go into the notification, we go into the settings here, you cannot add any setting shortcuts here, you cannot remove any. This is what you get. There is no way to edit it or keep your favorite setting shortcuts here. Moving on to the number fourth annoying thing is that there is no way to move apps to the SD card. If you are someone who install a lot of apps, or you just want to keep your internal memory clear, you cannot move apps to the SD card. So that's really annoying. So if we go in the settings menu here and we look for applications, we have to go into additional settings here. In additional settings, we have application management here, and we have application management here, and here we have these running apps, installed apps. So for example, let's go and let's open Clash of Kings here. Now I want to move it to the SD card. There is no way I can do that. So I can uninstall it, I can manage its notifications. So that's about it, and there is no way I can move it to the SD card. Now the last annoying thing on the list is something to do with the hotspot. So if we go into the setting once again, and I want to turn on the hotspot here, and I turn on the hotspot. There we go. Now I want to connect something to my hotspot. So now I've got my phone connected to the hotspot on Oppo F1s, and so you get this blinking notification panel here, and it keeps on blinking as long as the device is connected to the hotspot, and there is no way to just stop it or shut it off or whatever. And it's after some time it's really annoying, because whenever you pick your device, it's there, it's always blinking, either lock screen or not, and after some time it really starts irking you. So something that I have noticed while using this phone. Now I want to mention that none of these features are really deal breakers, but just little nitpicks here and there in the usage of this phone. And if you have any problem in your use with the Oppo F1s, you can always share it in the comments. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comments. You can share me on Twitter and Instagram. I share a lot of background stuff on my Twitter as well, so maybe if you want to dig into that, you can follow me on Twitter. I'll put the links in the description and in the end of the video. That's about it guys in this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Till then, bye bye.